viewers, good evening and a very warm welcome to all of you in today's episode of our weekly magazine series, Youth Folio. We have many informative and interesting stories to share with you. We have coverage of Yoga Day, we have information on health, news and views, and what achievers are doing during these testing times. Let's get cracking. First, our current issues section. Northeast observes Yoga Day with family and small groups. Guwahati's District TB Center gives warm send-off to cured COVID-19 patients. Rising cases of Japanese encephalitis causes worries in Assam. Aizawl Sports Academy Mizoram is to become one of the 8 Khelo India Excellence Centers. Music band comes up with COVID awareness song in Tripura's Kokborok language.
कोरोना पैंडेमिक के कारण आज दुनिया योग की जरूरत को पहले से भी अधिक गंभीरता से महसूस कर रही है। अगर हमारी इम्यूनिटी स्ट्रांग हो तो हमें इस बीमारी को हराने में बहुत मदद मिलती है। इम्यूनिटी को बढ़ाने के लिए योग की अनेक विधियां हैं, अनेक प्रकार के आसन हैं। वो आसन ऐसे हैं जो हमारे शरीर की स्ट्रेंथ को बढ़ाते हैं, हमारे मेटाबॉलिज्म उसको शक्तिशाली करते हैं। लेकिन कोविड-19 वायरस खास तौर पर हमारे श्वसन तंत्र यानी कि रेस्पिरेटरी सिस्टम पर अटैक करता है। हमारे रेस्पिरेटरी सिस्टम को स्ट्रांग करने में जिससे सबसे ज्यादा मदद मिलती है वो है प्राणायाम।
So said Prime Minister Narendra Modi on occasion of International Yoga Day on the 21st of June, highlighting the importance of yoga and specifically pranayam and urging people to practice yoga every day. In the Northeast, keeping with this year's theme of yoga at home and yoga with family, the large public functions were given a miss, though some leaders and heads of institution practice yoga in small gatherings. All adhered to the directive of keeping social distance. The District TB Center, Kamrup Metropolitan, located in Guwahati, Assam, which is Assam's second largest hospital treating COVID-positive patients, gave an unique affection-filled send-off to about 27 cured patients recently. The patients, who comprised of both young men and women, most of who had come back home to Assam from other states, were amazed to be treated first to a melodious devotional song sung by an elderly nurse. The instructions they got about how to conduct themselves henceforth, including staying in home quarantine for 14 days, remaining away from children and seniors so as to avoid infecting them and so on, were given in the form of enjoyable skits which were enacted out by doctors, nurses and staff of the hospital itself. The hospital had treated 350 COVID-positive patients successfully with no mortality till the time of filing this story. The recent batch of cured patients who vouched for the exceptional and warm treatment in the hospital sang along with doctors and nurses to Bhupen Hazarika's famous humanity song, which upholds that human beings should stand by each other.
it's a just encouragement to all the patients who has discharged from this hospital, so that they can memorize the things which are taught in this process. We are trying to do a street play. Through the street play, we want to give the message that they should not come out from their home for 14 days. They should be separated from their seniors and the young kids, so that the infection doesn't go to anyone else.
I'm from Assam, Guwahati, but I was staying in Mumbai, so because of my studies and singing. So while coming here, I got in contact with the coronavirus, unfortunately, and I was actually very tense that how things will happen here, how I will be taken care of, because this is a dangerous thing, and people get tensed, and my neighbors are tensed, and my family is tensed. My father is tensed because he stays here, and I came from here. So the behavior we got here, the care we got here, that's unbelievable. The food we got here, I really didn't expect that every day I will get such amazing food on time. So thank you so much, Assam Health Department, for giving us this beautiful, like keeping us so warm and welcomed. And the farewell we got after getting discharged, that was amazing, because there was kit. They showed us what exactly happens here and how the thing happens, and there is nothing to panic, and we can overcome everything. We stay positive, and we get such beautiful welcome and farewell. So thank you so much. Thank you, Assam Ka Health Department.
As though COVID-19 and floods are not enough, several districts of Assam are now reporting cases of Japanese encephalitis or JE and acute encephalitis syndrome or AES as well. Dirty stagnant water and garbage, which are the breeding grounds of mosquitoes, are the bane of the region. Japanese encephalitis is a virus spread by the bite of infected mosquitoes, and thus the urgent need to clean up these dirty places and stagnant water. By the time of filing this report, around 90 cases of JE and AES were reported from Kachar, Dibrugarh, Sonitpur, Kamrup and Morigaon districts of Assam. Hospitals of the state, which are already overburdened with patients suffering from many ailments, are now treating JE and AES cases also. The administration has also swung into action and is taking several measures to contain the spread. It must be remembered that last year, Assam had reported 600 deaths due to JE and AES combined.
Now we have received 21,50,000 net from center for distribution. So these will be already within 20 we are dispatching in the older districts, because we have got 6 regional centers, Dhubri, Guwahati, Jorhat, Sibsagar and Kachar. These are the 6 regional centers. We will be dispatching the LLINs to the PHCs, and from PHC it will be taken to the districts and it will be supplied in the beneficiaries.
The Aizawl Sports Academy at RG Sports Complex of Aizawl, Mizoram, which has seen many prestigious matches including ISL football matches in the past, has been included in the list of 8 venues that have been selected for setting up Khelo India State Centre of Excellence. Mizoram Sports Minister Romavia Roite disclosed that the RG Stadium Complex, R. Dengthuama Multipurpose Hall, MSSC Sports Hostel, Howla Indoor Stadium, Aizawl Aquatic Centre would all be included in the Centre of Excellence.
I feel really privileged for the objective decision of Government of India, Ministry of Youth Affairs and Sports, to select Aizawl city for location of the prestigious Khelo India State Centre of Excellence. And on behalf of the youth of Mizoram, I would like to extend our sincere thanks and indebtedness to Honorable Union Minister Sri Kiren Rijiju and his official colleagues in the ministry.
In Tripura, aiming to spread awareness about coronavirus in the rural and hilly regions of the state, a group of artists belonging to a Tripuri music band, Jaduni Khorang, recently launched a music video titled Break the Chain.
Cacarara enjaglukuro
Tei busuk tongko birman chini Pai thakni molda sopaila
The 7-minute-long music video referred to plague, cholera, and other pandemics of the past and urged people to be brave and combat the corona crisis.
Corona
The single-track music video was sung in the state's indigenous language Kokborok and Malayalam language of Kerala. Tripuri band singer Govind Dev Barma and another musician from Kerala, Rajiv Thomas, besides others, contributed to the production of this music video.
Wana mongo te tamole nugna tongsi
Tripura East Member of Parliament Rebati Tripura released the music album.
Birman chini Pai thakni molda sopaila
ये कॉकबराग और मलयालम के मिक्सअप एक गाना है। गाने में कोविड-19 के खिलाफ लोगों को जागरूक करने के लिए ये एक प्रयास है। तो मैं समझता हूँ ये अच्छा प्रयास है और लोग एक्सेप्ट करेंगे।
Are you in the habit of wearing your masks while driving with car AC on? Do you wear your masks while jogging or while exercising? Well, check out what the doctor's advice is. Driving with masks on, car windows rolled up, and car AC on, or sitting inside a closed car with mask on can be hazardous to health, according to doctors. People who do so can face many negative effects, including feeling lethargic, dizzy, unstable, and worse, can be opening themselves to fatal health debacles as one breathes back the carbon dioxide exhaled into the mask repeatedly. Added to the closed small chamber of the cars and carbon monoxide thrown by car ACs, one has a dangerous cocktail. Doctors advise breathing in fresh air at regular intervals. There is no need to wear a mask while driving alone or with COVID-negative family members.
Mask is to control the droplets which when you speak or when you cough, to control your droplets. And if somebody coughs, okay, it will help you to protect from their aerosol or droplets also. So whenever you go out, please use mask. But when you are alone at home, mask is not necessary. And when you are inside a car with AC on, when the windows are closed, there's no use of mask because you are alone. Nobody can infect from outside. So mask is not necessary then. Again, when you are exercising with social distancing, when you are not in crowd, please don't use mask because when you breathe, the mask stops your breath and you keep on inhaling your own carbon dioxide. We need oxygen. So in between, especially when you are using N95, when you are out away from people, you can open to have a proper oxygen inhalation. So always closing yourself with N95, especially when you are doing work, when you are alone and working or exercising, that is harmful for the body because you will be inhaling your own breath which contains carbon dioxide. That is harmful for the body.
Dr. Tale specializes in treating chest infections. From tuberculosis, asthma, pneumonia, cough, he has been treating all, many of whose symptoms are similar to COVID-19. He advises all to lead healthy lives and not panic about COVID-19.
The best thing is to have a healthy life, have proper nutrition and proper exercise, and avoid drug abuse, alcohol and tobacco. So when to suspect tuberculosis? It is when you have cough and fever or loss of weight for more than 2 weeks. I'm telling it's more than 2 weeks. If it is less than that, it could be pneumonia. If you have corona infection, still you will come with chest symptomatics. That is, could have sore throat, could have cough, could have chest pain, could have breathing problems. So that will be confusing with tuberculosis. So how to differentiate so that you directly don't deal with a corona patient. So TB is a chronic disease. Always suspect TB when the cough and other symptoms are more than 2 to 3 weeks. But then corona, it is an acute disease, acute viral infection. You will have the almost same symptoms. So you should know if the history is for short time, it is for fever or cough for 3-4 days, then always try to screen out COVID-19.
Coming next on Youthfolio is a close-up of how artist Kingson Swargiyari from the Bodoland territorial region of Assam spent his lockdown time in Delhi and what future plans he has in store. Watch on. Lockdown time was spent by different people in different ways. While some complained of boredom, there are many others who fully utilize the time furthering their careers or passion. Artist Kingson Swargiyari, originally from Buxa district in the Bodoland territorial region of Assam, who is currently staying in Delhi, falls in the second category. Lockdown time inspired this artist trained in Chhattisgarh and Delhi's prestigious College of Art to make a series of paintings. This, for instance, is a self-portrait with the message that one needs to be cool at this time and thus is blue with icy effects.
ये मेरा सेल्फ पोर्ट्रेट है. मैंने लॉकडाउन का टाइम में मैंने बनाया ये क्योंकि मैं खुद को ये संतुलन समझने की कोशिश किया. मैंने जितना हो सके ठंडा दिमाग, जितना हो सके मैं कूल. लोग घबराहट हो रहा है, क्या होगा क्या नहीं होगा, मतलब भाग दौड़ हो रहा है, कोई जाना चाहता है कहीं भी. तो मैं सोचा कि मैं एक ही जगह पर मैं रहूँ, शांति रहूँ, जितना हो सकता है शांति बनाए रखना है. तो इसलिए मैं सोचा कि कुछ सेल्फ पोर्ट्रेट बनाया है मैंने. कुछ मतलब आइस की तरह, मतलब कुछ फेस एक आइस का टुकड़ा की तरह बनाया मैंने.
Another remarkable art in abstract form highlights the pangs of loneliness of a mother.
वो लोग मतलब अपना मतलब फैमिली को मतलब मिस कर रहा है, बा कोई पेरेंट्स, कोई मतलब कोई किसी का वाइफ मतलब किसी अपने लव को मिस कर रहा है, बा किसी मतलब एक दूसरे से जो मिस हो रहा है. तो एक फीमेल फिगर है, थोड़ा सा हल्का सा एब्स्ट्रैक्ट में है वो. इसमें क्या है, अपसेट पोजीशन में बैठे हुआ है, एकदम एक डार्क कमरा की तरह बनाया हूँ मैंने. एक डार्क फिगर बनाया कम्प्लीटली मैंने. सो यही दिखाना चाहता हूँ कि मतलब कि जो हम लोग जो मिस हो रहा है, मतलब एक दूसरे एक अपनापन.
A third canvas brought out the artist's dreams of flying around the universe on a horse.
मैंने कुछ इस टाइप का इमेजिनेशन हमेशा आता हूँ. मैं हमेशा मतलब अपने करियर अपने मेहनत करके उड़ना चाहता हूँ. हमेशा मतलब एक दौड़ना चाहता हूँ, मतलब एक ताकतवर, मतलब एक हॉर्स की तरह, घोड़े की तरह मतलब मैं दौड़ना चाहता हूँ. मतलब मेरा मतलब ड्रीम भी उसी टाइप का है. मतलब तो मैंने उसमें एक ड्रीम एक मतलब ब्रह्मांड में, मतलब एक ब्रह्मांड की तरह बनाया मैंने. उसमें पूरा ब्लू सारे इमोशंस अपने कलर फेंका मैंने यहाँ पे. तो काफ़ी डीप डेफनेस में बनाने को उसका बीच में मैंने हल्का सा एक मतलब मेरा जो ड्रीम हॉर्स है उस चीज़ को बनाया. उसके साथ मैं पकड़ के मतलब उसके साथ मैं उड़ रहा हूँ. हल्का सा मैंने उस फिगर में बनाया. हल्का सा ये मेरा सेल्फ पोर्ट्रेट है. मैं खुद हूँ यहाँ पे उड़ रहा हूँ और वो अभी ब्रह्मांड का मतलब सफ़र कर रहा है. मैं मतलब पूरा दुनिया को मतलब मैं सफ़र करना चाहता हूँ मेरे करियर मेरे आर्ट का थ्रू. मतलब
In between making these paintings, the artist takes time off to go jogging and exercising in a nearby park once the lockdown was relaxed. He also keeps abreast with news, cooks and cleans for himself, as his parents, wife and child stay back in his village. But he has decided against going back in this time when traveling is risky. To give back to the society and help out-of-work people, he offers to teach art free of cost through his YouTube channel. He implores the Bodoland Territorial Region Administration of his district to improve healthcare.
विलेज में तो हॉस्पिटल तो का तो बहुत प्रॉब्लम है, डिस्ट्रिक्ट में है, लेकिन गांव-गांव में, एरिया में, आंचलिक में, ये सब में हॉस्पिटल का बहुत दिक्कत है। अगर कोरोना महामारी अगर गांव तक पहुंच रहा है, धीरे धीरे अभी गांव में भी पहुंच रहा है। बोडोलैंड में तो हॉस्पिटल का बहुत ज़्यादा प्रॉब्लम है, स्पेशली नॉट ओनली बोडोलैंड, हमारे पूरे असम में हॉस्पिटल का बहुत प्रॉब्लम है। असम में जैसे अभी केस बढ़ रहा है, तो लोग सावधान होना बहुत ज़रूरी है। और क्योंकि मुझे पता है, मैं बचपन से देख रहा हूँ, कोई भी चीज़ हम लोग का बीमार होता तो मतलब अगर गुवाहाटी में ले जाता, नहीं ले जाता तो फिर बहुत दिक्कतें हो जाता है गांव में।
Well, friends, we'll bring you similar real-life experiences of how people are adapting to the new normal enforced by the COVID pandemic from time to time. It's wrap-up time for this episode now. Check out the names of our contest winners of the week before we go. For our contest section, we had asked, which actor of Assam has taken to making cane crafts? The answer is actor Rajiv Pro. And the winners are Sunzo Brahma from Golaghat, Assam, Rumi Nath from Silchar, Assam, and Maringmai Sweetie from Imphal, Manipur. Congratulations, winners. We will recharge your mobile phones with Rs 500 each within a week's time. Viewers who wish to win similar recharges from us have to answer a very simple contest question. The question this week is, Pranayam is the yoga for controlling what? Controlling fat, controlling arthritis, or controlling breath? Rush your entries to youth_folio@yahoo.com or SMS or WhatsApp to 98101 29327. Don't forget to switch on to Youth Folio again next Saturday at 7:30 p.m. only on DD Assam. You could also watch our earlier episodes on YouTube, and also please subscribe to our Vision channel on YouTube. See you all next Saturday. Until then, goodbye and take very good care of yourselves.